Have you ever gone to park at the airport, running late for a flight, and you can't find a spot? Want to avoid that in the future? Coming up. Welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. My name is Michelle, and on this channel, we share a practical and helpful travel tip to save you time, money, and headaches. So today is all about going to the airport, running late, and you can't find a spot. We've all been there, or the spot's so far away that it takes you additional time that you weren't counting on. We were on our way to Grand Cayman Island and we had a very early flight. And this all started with us taking public transportation actually and going to park at the train station to take the metro up to the airport. Well, we got to the train station and there were no spots available. So that meant we needed to drive all the way to the airport, find a spot, pay all of those really high fees to park our car there. It ended up costing us so much to park our car at the airport because the only lot available was the closer one, which, as you know, the closer you get to the airport, the more costly it is to park there. So what I learned from that experience and what I've done since then, if I'm going to be driving myself to the airport, I came across this awesome website. It's called airportparking.com. Now there are other sites out there. What you do is you go onto that site, you plug in your airport and the dates that you're going to be gone. Then you reserve a spot. It usually is far less than parking at the airport. And all of the sites and the lots that you're parking at have free airport shuttles to take you right to the terminal. So it ends up saving you a lot of time and money and certainly headaches. You're already stressed out trying to get to your flight on time. The last thing you need is to be searching for a parking spot. So airportparking.com takes care of that for you. And I'm going to put my link down below. I do get a small commission if you click on it. I appreciate the help of supporting this channel, but it saved me so much time and money when I'm flying. And knowing that I have a spot reserved for me, I don't have to worry about the stress of searching for a spot or trying to find it. It's very easy and relaxed. Now I will tell you, you need to make sure that wherever you reserve that the shuttle is running at the time that you need it to get to your terminal on time. That is the only thing that you kind of need to make sure of. But everything else is very straightforward, very easy, and it's available at most major airports. I have another video coming out that is going to talk all about the different options you have to get to the airport from your home. So make sure you check that out. I'll put it up in the card above. If you're getting value on this channel, please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and ring that notification bell. Every Tuesday, I come out with a new and helpful practical travel tip, and you don't want to miss a thing. Thanks again for joining me on the Traveling Cheesehead for Travel Tip Tuesday. Until next time, travel safe.